Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of 2 plus square root of x is equals to 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So first we need to take squaring on both of the sides in order to remove this square root sign, so that when we apply square root sign, this will be written, when we apply squaring, this will be written as square root of 2 plus square root of x whole square is equals to 2 square. And now further in the next step, here we need more simplification, then we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as in this form. So this will becomes square root of 2 whole square plus 2 times of square root of 2 into square root of x, plus this is b square, b is square root of x whole square is equals to this 2 square becomes here 4. Now this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 2 plus this will be written as 2 times of, here we need to combine the square root of both of these two terms, and we write it as 2 times of 2x. So this 2 and this square root are also gone, and we get here x only, and in the right hand side we have 4. So because here our target is to remove the square root sign on both of these two terms, and you see that here we have just only one term which lies the square root sign. So we move all the other terms to the right hand side and we separate this term. So when we move all the terms to the right hand side, we get 2 times of square root of 2x equals to 4. This is positive 2 becomes negative 2, this is positive x becomes negative x. And now further we have, this is 2 times of square root of 2x is equals to 4 minus 2 becomes 2 minus x. And now here in order to remove this square root sign, we again take squaring on both of the sides. So after that, here we use another algebraic formula into the right hand side. So this will be written as a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this formula, now we expand the right hand side as in this form, but first we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get 2 square into square root of 2x and its whole square is equals to, in the right hand side we use this formula, and we get 2 square minus 2 times of 2 into x plus this is x square. And now in the next step we have this 2 square becomes 4 into this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 2x is equals to, this is 2 square becomes 4 minus this is 2 times 2 becomes 4x plus this is x square. And now further in the next step we have, this is 4 times 2 becomes here 8x is equals to 4 minus 4x plus x square. And now in the next step we move the term 8x from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get this is x square minus 4x plus 4. This is positive term becomes negative 8x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we have x square minus 4x minus 8x becomes minus 12x plus 4 is equals to 0. So you see that after little bit simplification, we convert our given radical equation into the quadratic form, and here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this, first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to minus 12, and c is equals to 4. And now in the next step we state the quadratic formula as in this form: x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and here we need more simplifications to get the values of x. So we have x is equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 12 plus minus square root of minus 12 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So we get x is equals to, this is minus times minus becomes plus 12 plus minus square root of minus 12 square becomes 144 minus 4 times 4 becomes 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And when we subtract these two values, we get here 12 plus minus square root of 144 minus 16 becomes 128, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and we get 12 plus minus square root of 128. We write it as 64 times of 2, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step, we know about that the square root of 64 becomes here 8, and now further we break this fraction and we write these two separately on both of these two values, and we get 8 times of square root of 2, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step, this is 2 times 6 becomes 12, and we get x is equals to 6 plus minus, this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we get 4 times of square root of 2. So finally we get these are the two roots of the given equation. But now in the next step, we need to verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of 2 plus square root of x is equals to 2. And in this side we will be verify x is equals to 6 plus 4 times of square root of 2, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 6 minus 4 times of square root of 2. So further in the next step, we have first we verify this root, and according to this root, we just substitute this value of x on this term, and it will be written as square root of 2 plus, this is square root of 6 plus 4 times of square root of 2 is equals to 2. So here we need little bit more simplification, and we rewrite this term as square root of 2 plus square root of, we write this 6 as 4 plus 2 plus, we write this 4 as 2 multiplied by 2 times of square root of 2 is equals to 2. And now here we again rewrite this equation as square root of 2 plus, this is square root of, we write this 4 as 2 square plus, we write this 2 as square root of 2 and its whole square plus, this is 2 times of 2 times of square root of 2, then we check that is this equals to 2 or not. So when we combine all of these terms, we write it as square root of 2 plus, this will be written as, when we combine all these terms, we get here 2 plus square root of 2 and its whole square, and this is equals to 2 or not. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is equals to 2. So this shows that 2 plus 2 times of square root of 2 is equals to 2. So these two are not equal. It means that the value x is equals to 6 plus 4 times square root of 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. Okay, so this is the not solution. And now here in the same pattern, we verify the second value of x. So these are the same pattern, and when we put this value here, we get square root of 2 plus square root of 6 minus 4 times of square root of 2 is equals to 2 or not. So we can just do all of these steps, but the difference is that here we have positive sign and here we have negative sign. So we write it as square root of 2 plus, so this will be written as 2 minus square root of 2 and its whole square, and this is equals to 2 or not. This is the our claim. These 2 and square root are gone, and we get square root of 2 plus 2 minus square root of 2 is equals to 2. So this and this are gone, and we get here 2 is equals to 2. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. And finally, we have the solution set of the given question is, this is the only 6 minus 4 times of square root of 2. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.